Hi, mate.
Hi, Vishal. How are you?
Good. So, this is a question that gets asked often. How can a small and mid-sized ISV developing a software product solution can effectively use cloud to speed up its deployment, development of software and reduce its ongoing cost of providing that software?
Yeah.
And increase availability and uptime and scalability and all those good things.
Yeah.
How can ISV do that?
Nowadays we hear about the cloud phenomenon, and
Right.
I think cloud is very much beneficial for a small and medium scale enterprises.
Okay.
Because it gives you a lot of benefit over the cost of the hardware and over the cost of the infrastructure which you need to build in order to support scalable applications.
Okay.
And so what does it gives you? It gives you option to choose your hardware first
Okay.
of all, and you can increase or decrease your hardware demands
Okay.
as per your demands.
Okay.
So if your demand grows, you can increase your hardware base and make your application more reliable, more scalable.
Mm-hmm.
And if your demand goes down, then you can reduce your hardware. That way you can compensate to your cost
Okay.
by measuring your demands and making sure that you are on top of that.
Okay. So instead of having to predict demand and buy a big box server
Yes.
or whatever, buy administrator, licenses, all that stuff, I don't have to do that.
Yes.
I can just take maybe small server,
Yes.
start with that and,
Yeah,
and
you
grow,
can-
add more as I grow.
Yes. You can start with a very small basic setup
Okay.
on the cloud.
Okay.
And then you can measure as per your demands are growing, then you can increase your base.
Okay.
So I think initially, and most of the small or medium enterprises faces this problem, that whether they should set up their applications in premise or on the cloud.
Right.
So in premise, probably it will be healthy for very low demand scenarios.
Okay.
But once you reach up to a medium demand scenario, then you should get benefited more by the cloud.
Okay. What about the startup cost and the resource cost? Because if I'm an ISV, I have developers. I need not have enough administrative resources to manage the server.
Yes, that's right. Because you are a development company and mostly you focus on the development of a product.
Right.
And how to manage the hardware infrastructure and how to administrate those things, that is a totally different skill set.
Right.
So either you get a person with that skill set, but that again would add up to your cost.
Right.
With your cloud, you get the administrative capabilities from the cloud providers itself. So they make sure that they provide your application more availability, scalability, and they can suggest you also if you have good terms and you make a good relationship with them.
Okay. And you can probably buy support from them.
Yes, they can give you good support also.
Okay.
So there is a good support options on the cloud as well.
Okay. So overall, you'd say it's a good thing. The ISV, it's probably worth giving it a try.
Yes, you can try it, and if it doesn't work, anyways, you can come back to your old scenarios.
Right.
But I think on the long run, cloud is very beneficial over on-premise installations.
Okay. Great. Thank you.
Thanks.